In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your QuickBooks subscription. Upgrading your QuickBooks subscription is an essential task when your business requirements evolve and you need more features to manage your finances efficiently. I'll guide you step by step through this quick process, so let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to sign into your QuickBooks account. Head over to your browser and open the QuickBooks homepage. Look for the Sign In button, which is typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on that and you'll be prompted to select the version of QuickBooks you're using. Choose the QuickBooks Online option from the list. This is crucial because QuickBooks offers various products and you want to make sure you're logging into the right one for upgrading your subscription. Once you've chosen QuickBooks Online, it's time to enter your login credentials. Go ahead and type in your username and password. If you've set up two-factor authentication for added security, you might be prompted to enter a code that has been sent to your registered device or email. After entering your details, click Continue to access your account dashboard. Now, from your QuickBooks dashboard, you will need to navigate to the settings. You can do this by looking for the gear icon, usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on this gear icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you need to select Subscriptions and Billing. Click on that option to move forward. Here in the Subscriptions and Billing section, you will see all the information related to your current subscription plan. This is where the magic happens. You'll notice an option to upgrade your subscription. Click on Upgrade to begin the process. QuickBooks will then show you a list of available plans, along with a breakdown of what each plan offers. This is a great opportunity to assess your needs against the features of each plan and determine which one will best serve your business. Once you've decided on the plan that's right for you, click on the option to proceed with the upgrade. Follow the prompts to fill out any necessary information or confirm changes to your billing and then finalize your subscription upgrade. Often, it's as simple as confirming your choice and inputting your payment information if there are differences in billing, and there you have it. You've successfully upgraded your QuickBooks subscription in just a few easy steps. Remember, upgrading can greatly enhance the tools and tracking capabilities available to you, helping you to manage your finances more effectively. Thanks for watching and be sure to check back in for more helpful tutorials.